Right? Did some shopping out here in ATL. Really liking this, man. Loving the area where I'm staying at too. Damn, man. Where's everyone at out here, man? Let me know. Guys, look at this. Oh my God, there's these doors. All right, let's go. Let's get in. Oh my God. Look at this sunroom. I'm gonna be masterminding in here, guys. This is such a freaking beautiful neighborhood. I'm really loving Atlanta. Oh my God. All right, guys, let's see. Oh my God. Look at this entrance. This gives me ideas for my house. All right. Oh my God, look at this. Ah, I can't wait to go in. We're all ready.
You know how to work this? I used to have one of these.
Guys, this is just stunning. Guys, and let's check this place out. Oh my God, this is stunning. I'm gonna be doing some Bob Proctor masterminding in here. Interviews. This is perfect for all the interviews we got set up for the weekend. Oh my God, look at this kitchen. Oh my God. Wow. This is dope, bro. Look at the back, guys. This is a spot we're coming back to every time we're in Atlanta. Like, this is going to be perfect for the mastermind. We're going to do some interviews there. Let's check out what's here. Oh my God, they did such a wonderful with the top. Oh my God. I gotta contact her and let her know that her decor is just immaculate. Washer in here. We got the iron. Get ready for our outfits. A spare. This is the get ready room. We live here, bro. Atlanta's treating me nice. Look at this. This lady just knows how to decor. Oh. Let's check out. Love this Jack and Jill. Another bedroom here. This is stunning.